Last item with regards to pool maintenance is just cleaning the pool itself. So there's two ways to do that. One is the automated cleaning unit we call Norman, and so I'm going to show you how to use that. Afterwards I'll also point out the manual brush which you can use. But this is great if you have 3-4 hours or even longer before people come. It'll do a lot of the work for you. So this will normally be in the pool shed. The hose will be hung up over the salt generator. Take this part, push it down firmly, and you can tell when you hold it like that, you kind of have it firm enough. The easy way to do this is to come over here a little bit to the deeper end. Now, some people put the other end of the hose over the output valve, but this is actually an easier way. So you get the air out of the unit, and you press down with the hose, and the trick here is to keep the hose going down and underwater, and so that the hose fills with water completely as you're going down. Some of it may kind of come back to the top. You see I keep feeding it down, trying to untwist it as I go. And you'll notice on this hose, there's 2 or 3 extra components. And if you come over here, a little closer, so whether you take these components off or not, that's what they look like. But if I take this down, you will see the water has popped up. And the reason you need to do that is so that when you plug this into the skimmer, that air is not in the line and in the pump. So again, pull out the skimmer basket, feed this through the gate, just be patient with it, and then feed that down to the bottom, and if you've done it right, you'll see that the unit starts to move. Now, the other important thing with this is to put the pump on its higher setting, so that's hitting the button V3 or at 2500, and that will just make the unit go around the pool a little faster with higher suction. So I've hit the V3 button, and now I'll pull out the manual cleaner as well. So this you can use, we don't use it very often, but sometimes things get a little stubborn. So you may have occasion where you want to use the manual one. So here is the aluminum pole beside there. So same sort of procedure as we just did with the other one. You would put the hose on top of that. The difference is, if I show you here, you put the end on here first, you hold in the 2 little plastic clips, and then they are snapped into there. So now you would put your hose on. The trick when you're doing this one is put this one in the shallow end, because as you push out the hose, so will this gets pushed out. And you want to keep this end obviously out of the pool. Sometimes I put it over the stairs. And again, you would just go over things over with the brush of the cleaner, and that covers the cleaning of the pool.